Do you ever wonder what your favorite celebs like to drink? Today, we are matching celebrities to their cocktails.
The first cocktail on our list is the margarita. We like our margaritas made with the world's smoothest tequila, Suavecito.
We actually have a discount code for you guys to use on shop.suavecitotequila.com. Use our code THIRSTY and get 10% off.
I feel like everyone likes a margarita.
Who doesn't like a margarita?
This is gonna be a hard one.
Our options are A, Jennifer Aniston, B, Cardi B, or C, Ariana Grande.
I'm gonna go with Jennifer Aniston.
I was thinking Jennifer Aniston too. The screaming Jennifer Aniston.
Yeah.
I know Cardi B, she goes by Bacardi, and I know she like Hennessy, so I'm gonna say that's not her drink.
And Ariana, does she even like tequila? Like I don't know. I don't know what she likes to drink.
Ariana Grande prefers to smoke a little weed over drinks.
Yeah? I don't know.
She be up in the clouds.
Yeah.
Puffing that reefer.
I don't know.
Does she drink? She's so tiny.
She gives me
she'd be a lightweight.
Yeah, like champagne maybe. She used to make champagne.
Maybe some wine. She's so chill.
She's so moody.
But she's also a bad bitch, and bad bitches drink tequila.
That's very true. This is like, I don't know. This is a hard one. So I'm gonna say Jen.
Yeah, same.
Jenny.
All right, what's the answer?
Yeah!
We got that one. All right, so next up we have a whiskey sour.
Someone that is in a band.
90% of celebs. A, Justin Timberlake, B, Johnny Depp, or C, Adam Levine.
I mean, I did say somebody in a band. So I feel like Adam Levine drinks this. Oh, actually, I lied. He drinks tequila because didn't he just come out with a tequila brand or like a tequila?
Adam Levine?
Yeah, I think he has a tequila.
And I'm pretty sure Justin has a tequila.
I'm gonna say Johnny Depp drinks whiskey
Johnny
sours.
Depp. Ooh, I can see him drinking a whiskey sour or even an old fashioned.
I was just thinking an old fashioned.
Right?
Too. Yeah, let's see.
Does it taste like Johnny Depp?
Definitely, I feel like exactly.
I can see him drinking it right now. I can picture him like kind of smizing together. Like.
Yeah, he's very edgy.
Johnny Depp.
Johnny Depp, final answer. Woo! 2 for 2, baby.
Yes.
Woo! Next up, a white Russian. Who drinks a white Russian? I want to taste it. That's so good.
I think this is more of an older kind of crowd, a white Russian.
Same. The only people that have ever ordered a white Russian from me have been older and women.
You know, it's got a little bit of coffee in it. An older woman that wants to keep the party going but needs a little pick-me-up. So our options are A, Kim Kardashian, B, Kylie Jenner, or C, Kourtney Kardashian. Oh, that was unexpected.
I know. What the heck? I feel like
I'm taking Kylie out.
Yeah.
Kylie, I know, I watch her stories. She loves herself some tequila, and she definitely likes lychee martinis. I've never seen her drink a white Russian.
I think I'm gonna go with Kim Kardashian. I don't know why, but I feel like this is her drink.
I feel like Kim doesn't like to drink.
Exactly. So this is like a softies drink.
I could see it.
Chocolate milk.
I also can see Kourtney, but I feel like Kourtney's kind of badassy too.
Chloe. I thought it was Chloe.
Kourtney.
Kourtney or Chloe?
Courtney.
Oh.
I can see Kourtney.
I thought it was Chloe.
Kourtney's a little older, you know what I'm saying?
That's what I was about to say because she's
You look good though, girl. You still look good though, girl, but you are a little older.
Yeah.
She's the oldest of the Kardashians, and just because we just said that it would be an older person, let's go with Kourtney.
She's a more mature one.
Even though I can also see Kourtney drinking like a Jack and Coke. Ah, it's Kim!
I knew it! Ish.
Kim. Is that the secret to staying out all night? A little coffee in your cocktail? Okay.
We see you.
We see you.
We see you.
So next up we have the good old-fashioned Moscow Mule. Another classic.
Another classic.
These are hard.
Yeah.
I feel like Moscow Mule is kind of like a trendy drink.
Yeah, young. Someone young.
Yeah, because it's like trending. A, Oprah, B, Jessica Alba, or C, Miley Cyrus.
I can picture Jessica Alba drinking this.
Oprah, I think Oprah likes
wine, right?
lemon drops is her thing.
What?
A lemon drop martini. I think that's a thing.
This is giving me Jessica Alba. She looks real cute. I can just picture her with her little Moscow Mule.
All right, so we're gonna go with Jessica Alba.
Yeah.
Oh, Oprah!
Okay, Oprah.
Okay, Oprah.
You like your Moscow Mules? We make you one.
Okay,
Take us to your house. We'll make you a good one. Well, she does like lemon drops, so that means she likes vodka. Maybe she likes vodka.
Maybe.
And this is a vodka based.
Her newer favorite drink.
Maybe. Next up, some red wine. Who drinks this? A classy broad.
Men drink red wine too.
Sophisticated men.
Yes, but I think wine is definitely known to be a woman's drink. A woman.
Yeah.
Not just any little girl drink, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
A, J-Lo, B, Halle Berry, or C, Beyonce.
Ooh, that's a good lineup. They all drink red wine.
Right? That's hard.
Damn.
Okay, so Halle Berry is the oldest and wisest.
So yeah, I'm gonna go with Halle Berry.
I could see Halle Berry drinking this. I could definitely see Beyonce too though. Beyonce's so chill and cool.
That's true.
If I have to choose between the two, I'm gonna say Halle Berry too. J-Lo, I can see her drinking some tequila too though.
Yeah, I could see
J-Lo likes
like,
to get down.
Yeah, she likes to party. Like I feel like, but I also feel like maybe she drinks red wine at home.
Yeah, I could see her having some red wine.
But I could see this.
Dinner.
I could see this being like Halle's go-to drink. Like she's like at the club with a red glass.
Yeah, she doesn't care.
Doesn't care. But we could be completely wrong. So wish us luck.
Beyonce, girl!
We're wrong.
I could see Beyonce. Cause she's so chill.
She is so chill. I feel like you did pretty
I
bad.
feel like we did not do well.
I feel like we got like 40% right. Which is a D. Which is a failing grade.
If you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that bell for us. Can y'all hit the bell?
Please.